Good morning, it's Saturday, October 20th, and we are getting ready to leave to go to this little festival that we have here. It's called the Seafood Festival, and they have it once a year during the fall, and it's kind of like a fair, and they have a lot of vendors and things like that set up. Chance is making me and him some egg sandwiches right now. The kids already ate cereal, and then we have to go to Starbucks really quick because we forgot to get creamer, or we ran out of creamer. I forgot to get creamer at the store. So we have to go get some coffee before we go. And I'm just gonna take you guys along with us for the day. It'll be a fun day. So I hope you enjoy this video. So Chance thinks I'm crazy because I want a tall caramel frappuccino at 9:20 in the morning.
You're crazy, it's just not hot enough yet.
It's not hot enough yet. And we still have Starbucks gift cards from Christmas. So we're being frugal, right?
2 years ago.
Yeah. How many Starbucks gift cards do we have? Like, and they've lasted us for at least a year. I didn't start drinking Starbucks though until recently, so that's why.
Caramel mocha frappe. I can feel it, I can feel it, I can feel it. Hey, thank you. Hope there's enough on that.
Do you want to ask her if she can make change for this?
Yeah, give me a 20. So I just need a 10, 5, and 5 1. Hey, can you break this 20 for me?
Yes, give me 1 second. My
Right.
manager has to come in.
Thank you.
Yes, I am going to the parts of the eye
Should wait that.
just to help me with shape and placement.
$1.92 left on the card.
I'm gonna do this, and she's coming over.
All right, thank you. There's yours.
What would you like that?
So 10, 5, and 5 1.
Gotcha.
Thank you.
Now that is not fair.
It's coffee. You want some?
Oh, that's so sweet.
You want to try it?
No, Amy, you can't have coffee.
You can have a sip.
Thank you, darling. Thank you, ma'am.
Have a great day.
You too.
Get anything?
I got a hot coffee.
We get anything?
I got a
They
hot
don't have
coffee.
anything but coffee there, bud.
What are we getting?
Nothing.
Nothing right now. You'll get stuff at the Seafood Festival.
We're about to go. That's where we're going right
My
now.
iPad needs to charge.
Does it?
Where all of the hair roots and glue is anchored in.
Here we go. Seafood Festival.
Nice banana, dude. You got a banana. Thanks, man. Wait a minute, okay? Locking you in.
So we are on the way back home. The festival was so much fun. The kids rode tons of different rides. Kason doesn't feel good now though. How was it?
Great, Kason, can you give Gracie some water, please?
How was the festival, Gracie June? Good. We're a little hot and sweaty, so now we're gonna go back to the house and just hang out for a little while and cool down. So we came home and Kason laid on the couch. His stomach was still hurting a little bit. I felt like he was overheated and needed to rest. He had some water and all of that. And I came and laid down and fell asleep for like an hour and a half while Chance watched football and Gracie June watched TV too. Like we all just needed a little rest break. And now I have like big bags from taking my nap. I never take naps over the day, y'all. Like this is a rare occasion, so I slept pretty hard too. But Chance just went to the store. We're gonna cook hamburgers and we're just gonna kind of keep it easy. I think we're just gonna do hamburgers and some chips tonight. And I'm about to go eat some of the hummus that I always show you guys with some pita chips just as a little snack before he gets back. And then we're gonna start cooking. If you don't know what hummus I'm talking about, this is so good. It's supremely spicy hummus, so it is pretty spicy. And then I get these pita chips. This is the Simply Naked, but the Garden and Veggie blend are really good too. So I'm just gonna have a little snack before dinner. Chance out here cooking.
My first time working with coals. I don't know what I'm doing.
It's a nice little fall night out here.
Fall. It's hot as you know what.
Well, hey, it's a little cooler now. It rained. Glad we weren't at the festival while it rained.
Yeah.
Apparently it started pouring after we left. It's so nice. Gonna cook some burgers and have some chips. Love our little charcoal grill. Ooh, be careful.
Yesterday there was sun and there was rain, beauty in the mundane. And as the light startled our eyes, we let go of disguise.
right, so tell us, what was your favorite ride, Kason?
Bumper cars.
Bumper cars. Gracie June, what was your favorite ride?
The twirly rounder? Or the carousel? Or the... What about the monkey maze? Did you like that?
I like the monkey maze too.
You did.
Where all the mirrors were in there? You're like, ah!
Kason ran into the mirror.
And Gracie did too.
Yeah, y'all both did. That was
Remember
so
that?
funny.
You remember
We were
going to the
cracking
mirror
up.
maze?
Well, I didn't know that was a mirror.
Yeah, me either.
Yeah, you did.
I didn't.
No, he
I
ran.
thought that was the
He thought he was
way.
gonna go through so fast. and he
but you
slapped
knew about
into it.
you knew about it from last year. Is my point.
Hey, Grace June, what was your favorite ride?
1, 2, 3, go.
The fast thing.
Which one?
You know, the one that goes, you know, sideways, you know, this
Oh.
way and this way.
Oh, okay.
Oh, the
Yeah.
one where you couldn't move your head?
No, not that one. The one that you rode with Kason and then you rode it with Ella Kate the second time? Yeah, the one that spun around and around
Oh.
really fast and it made the loud woo woo noise.
That
Yeah,
That's my favorite ride.
that was fast. You got to ride some big kid rides, right?
When I get older and older and I get really big and big, I get to ride all of them.
Yeah. You're so cute.
one? Yeah, when we're like 87, we could do a bunch.
When you're 87, you might not be riding any rides anymore.
Yeah, probably.
Are you
Maybe
gonna,
when you're 11, you can do it because you're a kid when you're 11.
yeah.
Just like
Are you gonna be a
Ava.
cool grandpa when you're 87 and ride with your grandkids?
Yeah.
You're so cute, buddy. Eat up so you can get dessert.
Did Mommy look? Banana!
Closer. I'm over here on the back of the couch like a doll.
All right, so we are gonna go ahead and say good night and end our vlog here. Oh, there's everybody. We are gonna hang out, watch TV, watch some football, take some showers, and go to bed.
I want y'all to hear this. I want y'all to hear this song. Now we'll start it all over.
Okay, so he's watching YouTube and he's watching Lucas Graham.
Hurry up, Casey.
Mama Said drummer cover.
We never travel to exotic lands. We only ever really visit friends. Nothing to tell when the summer ends.
This kid's name is Noah.
Noah,
Cool.
that's pretty cool. All right, will you pause it?
And say
Why
Good
do you-
night.
Why do you like it?
This
that's a
song.
good ending.
This song.
The song you like the song. That's why you like it.
Yeah, why do you like it?
Because
You want to learn to play the drums? All right, everybody say good night.